In this quick video, I'll show you how you can easily undelete or recover deleted messages on your iPhone. So if you've accidentally deleted some messages that were important to you and you want to get them back, then follow my steps. We will first open our Messages application, and you will see your inbox and all the messages you have in here. If you've deleted the messages from the inbox, then tap on the Edit button at the top left corner of your screen, and you'll see a menu with a couple of different options. You want to click on this Show Recently Deleted with the little trash can icon next to it. That is going to open a new section that will show us all of the messages that we've deleted recently from our Messages inbox. It says here that the conversations show the days that remain before the deletion. After that time, the messages will be permanently deleted. So the messages are kept in here for a period of up to 40 days, and after that time, they will be permanently deleted and you can't recover them. If you want to get back some conversations, simply tap on Recover in the bottom right corner of the screen. If you've deleted the messages over 40 days ago, then you sadly can't get back your messages by using this method, and you will have to find another way. But you've probably deleted your messages recently, so just get them back by following these steps, and I will see you in another video.